this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Nykaa haul. Now Nykaa had their hot pink sale and it's pretty obvious I'm going to go ahead and stock some skincare and makeup products just for me because sale are meant for that. Now I have purchased couple of items for myself, so I thought why not share it with you guys. Now before getting into this video, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment using the hashtag YouTubeBeraFam so that I could reply to all your comments. Subscribe to my channel, also press the little bell icon. And yes, without a further ado, let's get into this video. Now whichever items I'm about to show in this video, their prices will be mentioned somewhere on the screen. But since that was a sale, the price got reduced. So in case you guys want to buy, the price may vary. So please bear with me for that. Since I'm an influencer come YouTuber, I receive lots of PR packages, I guess in a week. So I thought it was very important for me to go ahead shop some disinfectants that could help me to get rid of those bacteria or germs that might stay on the packages whichever I receive. So I have purchased this Lifebuoy Germ Kill Spray, which is safe on skin and on any surfaces. Now it claims that it kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses, and it comes in a spray bottle like so. I hope the camera is able to capture this one. Now this bottle is 75 ml and I have purchased 2 of this, and I think it does a pretty good job. Whenever I receive any of the packages, I make sure to spray it all over the packages and then only unbox it. So yes, in case you guys want, you definitely need to have this thing. मतलब कभी भी आप मार्केट में जाओ, कुछ भी आइटम्स आप खरीद लो, तो आप एक बार स्प्रे मार लोगे तो यू आर double safe. So I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this one. Now the next thing which I purchased from Nykaa is Carebox KN95 mask. Now ये भी कुछ सेल पे चल रहा था एंड मुझे बहुत ही चीप रेट में मिला था. मुझे इतना प्राइस याद नहीं आ रहा है, बट मैं स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूंगी. Now it looks something like this. I'm going to show you the mask as well. तो मास्क में ऐसा यहाँ पे एक स्टील टाइप का ये दिया है ताकि आपका नाक प्रॉपरली पैक हो जाए, एंड इसका कवरेज भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So in case you guys are looking for a good quality mask, then definitely I would recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this one. Now मैंने 2 ऑर्डर कर लिए थे ये मास्क because I think it was quite necessary for me to have it with me. Since you guys know it's lockdown and we guys can't go to the parlor to do our hand waxing or body waxing, that's why I thought why not purchase a chocolate wax. Now this one is from Body Care. I already had a waxing machine at my home, which is basically like a heater. So what do you need to do? You just need to pour this wax inside that heater machine, and I guess with the help of strips, you guys could go ahead and have a very good and smooth hair removal process. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to use this, and definitely I'm going to give you a review on the same if it's worth it or not. Why did I purchase this one? Because it's chocolate flavored and I'm pretty comfortable using chocolate waxes, so that's why I went ahead and purchased this one. Now the next thing which I purchased from Nykaa is this Insight nail polish remover, which has 30 wipes. So these are just use and throw wipes. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture it. And it has 30 wipes, and it's in the variant strawberry, and it's acetone free. I applied nail paint several times, but I didn't had any wipes to just get rid of those, so that's why I thought I need to have this, and it retails for around I guess 30 rupees, so I think it's a very good deal. The next thing which I purchased from the sale is Lakme's Insta liner. Now this liner is in blue in color, and when I came live, you guys have asked me which liner were you using, so this is the one. I think the blue liner looks absolutely stunning on me, and if you guys are looking for some great blue eyeliners and that too pretty affordable one, then I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this one. Now the next thing which I have purchased from Nykaa is bunch of nail paints. Now some of them are from Miss Claire, some of them are from Faces Canada. Now the ones from the Miss Claire is the gel effect nail polish, and it is a very pretty color. I pretty much love this shade. In general, I have tried all of them. Another one is, it's in the shade G18, and this is also a very good fuchsia pink color. I pretty much love wearing it. Also the consistency is really good. So if you're looking for some affordable nail paint range, then I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase Miss Claire. Now the next one is sort of a, I don't know, is it a teal blue color? I'm not sure. Now this is from Faces Canada, and this is their splash range. To be really frank, the consistency was not that great for the price I've purchased it for. The consistency was more of like a watery side, but if I apply 2 coats of it, then I think the nail paint looks fine to me for the price it offers this one. So yes, if you're looking for a nail paint, then you should definitely give this one a try. Now the next nail paint shade is again from Splash Faces Canada. Now this is their nude neutral shade, and this is the nail paint which I'm wearing at the moment. And oh my god, I pretty much love this shade. If you are someone who like nude tone nail paint, then you should definitely go ahead and purchase this one. I was also looking for some makeup fixer, so I went ahead and purchased this one. This is from Swiss Beauty, and this is their aloe vera range with vitamin E inside it. Now each time I do a makeup, my makeup sometimes look more cakey, so that's why I thought I need to have a makeup fixer. Earlier I was using the Miss Claire matte finish range, so I thought why not go ahead and give it a try. So I have not yet tried this one, so I'm going to try it out and I will let you know if that works well or not. Now the next item which I've purchased from the Nykaa sale is this Wet n Wild ka eyeshadow range. Now this is their Rose in the Air palette. Let me show you guys how does that looks. Okay, it has a very beautiful transition shade. Also there are some shimmer shades and some neutral tone shades which are really good for some Indian looks. So I thought this palette is very versatile, so I went ahead and restocked this one. Now the next thing which I purchased from Nykaa is Miss Claire's waterproof eyebrow pencil. Now if you guys are looking for some good pigmented eyebrow pencil, then I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this one. Now this is in their shade coffee brown. Now this is what I'm wearing at the moment, and I pretty much love the way how natural does my brows look after using this. Now the next item which I've purchased from Nykaa is Miss Claire's glimmer sticks for eyes. Now this is in the shade Shine White. Now if you guys know, okay, I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture this one. If you guys would have been following me on Instagram, then you guys know I do a lot of face art, so I thought white color pencil would work really great for me to experiment with any of the looks. I'm definitely going to try this one and I'll let you guys know how does it work. So yeah, that's it for today's video. In case you guys want to see any more haul videos on my channel, then please भर के comment कर देना. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.